Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, November 9th, and this is my full top-down analysis for the Euro-US dollar. We're on the monthly time frame, working our way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly time frame, if you've seen my videos, you know I have two options here. It's either going to be an expanding A, B, C pattern, which would put us a minimum up to the 134. Possibly, if it turns into a 278% Fibonacci extension, it could even go up much higher than that. But we also cannot rule out the possibility that this right here is just a pullback to the last impulsive move down. We got our Fibonacci retracement out there. Price definitely did respect the 78%. Has not broken structure to the downside yet, so we can't confirm. If this really is just a pullback to this move down, it would start a brand new downtrend. So either way, we need to pay attention whether this trend right here from here to here is complete. If the trend from here to here is complete, then it more than likely is a wave C, then it more than likely will continue the downtrend. So keeping that in mind, going down to the weekly time frame, a breaker structure to the downside is what's going to tell me that this move up right here is over. And if this move up right here is over, it cannot be a wave 3 of it expanding. It has to be a wave C, and more than likely it would start a brand new downtrend. We do not have a breaker structure yet. The trend is definitely still up. It could easily respect one of these Fibonacci retracement levels, make a higher low, and just keep on trending up. So going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, this is where I've been saying that this is either a running, which would be a higher low, or it could turn into an expanding, which would be a lower high. If it does go down and break this structure, though, on the weekly time frame, and it holds below structure, it may not even be a corrective pattern at all, but it may actually turn into a big trend reversal on the much higher time frames. We definitely made a really nice bounce at the 100% Fibonacci extension of wave A, but we do not have a breaker structure yet. We do not have a higher low. We do not know whether this move up is a pullback to this move down. I would treat this move up as possibly just a pullback within a downtrend until the market proves otherwise. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, we definitely do have a breaker structure to the upside on the 4 hour. So if you're trading like the 1 hour time frame and below, I would definitely be recommending longs. While you're looking for longs, if it just continues to make higher highs, higher lows, it goes up and takes out this high, then we'll know that the daily, weekly, monthly uptrend is back in, and that we are likely back into a big uptrend on the high time frames. While you're looking for longs, if it does something like this, makes like a double top at one of these Fibonacci levels, makes a break of structure to the downside, then that is a corrective overlapping pattern, which means that it would just end up being a pullback to this last move down, and it would end up continuing the downtrend. So definitely looking for longs and hopefully learning and earning at the same time whether this is a pullback to the last move down or whether it really is a trend reversal. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, we definitely got a pretty good little bounce right here at the 61%. We definitely do not have a breaker structure, so we have our Fibonacci retracement from here to here. Like I said, if this really is a trend reversal, this might end up, bouncing from one of these fib levels, making another higher low, maybe go up to the 78%, make another higher low, and just eventually go up and break structure. If it really is a corrective pattern, then it could possibly stretch out a little bit like this, go up to the 61 or the 78%, and then break structure to the downside. That is the shape of an overlapping corrective pattern, and that would tell you that to stop looking for logs and start looking for shorts again. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.